sing and dance and jump, but I don't know how to steer. I like to eat shark bread for breakfast and lunch. And when I have dinner, on chicken I munch. Me, Frankie and Morticia are a crazy bunch.